Ever felt like your bank account is stuck in the dark ages? Paper checks, endless forms, and a clunky online interface that looks like it was designed in the 90s? Yeah, us too. That's where Qonto comes in. But before we dive into their mission, let's unpack why traditional business banking can be such a pain. The struggles of traditional banking. Imagine you're a young entrepreneur with a brilliant idea. You've got the hustle, the passion, and a killer business plan. But then you hit a brick wall, the bank. Opening a business account can be a bureaucratic nightmare. Mountains of paperwork, unexplained fees, and minimum balance requirements that could choke a small startup. And even if you manage to hurdle those obstacles, you're stuck with an account that feels about as innovative as a rotary phone. Telephone, forget about seamless integrations, real-time expense tracking, or the ability to manage your team's finances easily. Ugh. There's gotta be a better way, right? Enter Qonto, the mission to empower businesses. That's where Qonto steps in. Their mission? To revolutionize business banking by making it simple, transparent, and oh so modern. Qonto is an online-first neobank specifically designed for the needs of startups and SMEs. They ditch the old-school branches and give you a powerful digital platform to manage your finances efficiently. Here's how Qonto lives up to its mission. Effortless setup. Gone are the days of waiting weeks for approvals. Qonto lets you open a business account in minutes, completely online. No more paperwork purgatory. Fee transparency. Unlike traditional banks that bury fees in cryptic terms and conditions, Qonto is upfront about their pricing. You'll always know exactly what you're paying for, with no hidden charges. Modern features. Qonto boasts a sleek, user-friendly interface that makes managing your finances a breeze. Real-time expense tracking, virtual cards, instant transfers, team management tools, they've got it all. Integrations galore. Seamlessly connect Qonto with your favorite accounting software, project management tools, and more. No more manual data entry, saving you precious time and frustration. Mobile-first approach. We all live on our phones these days, and Qonto gets it. Their mobile app lets you manage your finances on the go, whether you're checking your balance, approving payments, or sending invoices. Qonto, more than just a bank account. Qonto isn't just about managing your money, it's about empowering your business to grow. They offer educational resources, helpful guides, and even host workshops to equip you with the financial knowledge you need to succeed. By providing a suite of modern tools and fostering a supportive community, Qonto empowers businesses to focus on what truly matters, making their dreams a reality. With that said, thanks for watching. If you're tired of the traditional banking blues, Qonto might just be the breath of fresh air your business needs. Check out their website to learn more and see if it's the right fit for you. Until next time.